So I've got some good news. First and foremost, thank you very much to Rentals United. I was recently named one of a top 20 vacation rental consultants. And what I want to do is just want to say thank you very much to Vacation Rentals, but I also wanted to share the light and give you some more people to follow, just in case the Boostly is one of many that you would like to check out, because there's always more than one way to skin a cat, as they say. And with the beauty of vacation rentals, with the beauty of hospitality and marketing and all that stuff, there's so many amazing people. So I'm very happy and privileged to say that I know a lot of people mentioned in here. Starting with Paula, we're very honored to work together on a Book Direct show that was last year, 2020, virtual event, but I got to watch Paula's fantastic presentation. Definitely one to check out. Conrad O'Connell, haven't had the pleasure of speaking directly to Conrad, but he is on here, build up bookings, SEO, etc. Mr. Daniel Roostein, otherwise known as Optimize Your B&B. I've known Danny for many years. He's very much focused primarily on Airbnb. I think when it comes to Airbnb, he's probably the best out there. If we all, we say it as it is. He's fantastic. Has a very good Instagram, very good YouTube channel. Please do go and check out Danny. He's been a participant in the Boostly podcast many times. Good guy. Louise Brace. So me and Louise have been actually working together a lot this year. Louise is a fantastic copywriter. She really does help hosts. I think her special power is she helps hosts figure out who their guest avatar is. She helps give keywords and phrases, and she's been doing that for a lot of Boostly website clients, which is amazing. And again, Rental Tonic, do go and check it out. She is speaking at the Book Direct Show 2021 in London, alongside myself, so do go and check out. Eric Mason, again, a name that I see cropping up time and time again. We've chatted a few times. One definitely to go and check out with Richard Vaughan of Yes Consulting. So again, I'm a member of Yes Consulting somehow. I managed to sneak my name in there, but very good source. Jessica Gillingham, I will definitely check out Jessica more. I haven't had the pleasure of speaking directly, but it looks like she offers PR. Justin Ford, again, another member I haven't had the privilege of chatting to, but I definitely will go and check out more. And there I am, Mark Simpson, on the list. Let's read it out. Following a successful career in many different fields of hospitality, Mark Simpson started Boostly in 2016 to help short-term rental hosts increase their revenue. What started as an idea to help hosts in Mark's hometown, Scarborough, United Kingdom, get more direct bookings, becoming less reliant on the OTAs, has grown into a worldwide coaching platform of over 700 members. That's actually over 1,000. Mark is also the one behind the most engaged Facebook communities for hospitality professionals, the hospitality community, which has over 6,000 members. And they talk about the services that I offer, which is lovely. Next up is Maver. So I've worked with Maver this year, been on a podcast a couple of times. Absolutely fantastic person to check out. Definitely an up and comer. Do go checking out the Flying Cat Marketing podcast, and one to watch. Speaking at the Book Direct Show, talks about SEO, makes SEO interesting, which is no mean feat. Mr. Simon Lehman, winner of the Shorties Award, really good guy. Came on the Boostly podcast for the episode about cryptocurrency. He's got many strings to his bow. He's one of the thought leaders of our industry, so do go check him out. Gianpaolo. So Gianpaolo puts on so many events. I was at one of his events last year, two of his events last year, and again, based in Italy, but again, a fantastic guy doing lots of fantastic services for the world of hospitality. Talking about cryptocurrency, Mr. Luca Di Giglio, an Italian in Bulgaria, Romania, who is the founder of Trips, which is an NFT-based platform. He's going to bring the hospitality world into the world of blockchain. Maybe not right now, but it will definitely happen. Do go check out the block Trips Currency community, fantastic Discord channel, and again, an eye-opener when he was on the Boostly podcast. Somebody, again, I've never had the privilege of meeting or chatting to, but I will, Romain Giacalone. Apologies if I butchered that pronunciation. And again, Jordan Locke, not a chance to chat to Jordan, but I definitely will do. Ben Edwards, again, haven't had the chance, but I will do. Somebody who I have met many times and is a fantastic human is Elaine Watt of the Holiday Let Success podcast. Elaine, again, is all about direct bookings. Fantastic podcast host, and just knows a lot about this industry. And again, When I was doing a bit of research into other people who did podcasts, Elaine was the one that I went to check out and I keep going back to. Natasha, based in Valencia, also dabbles in a bit of cryptocurrency. Vegan, travels the world on a budget, fantastic person, mother, but also as well a host. Loves to share different tips, building a brand and marketing. And again, had the privilege of chatting to Natasha a few times. I'm not even going to try and pronounce that name, but I will definitely try and reach out in the future. Ivan of Real Stays, again, not spec. Anna, but again, some amazing names on here. People that I have chatted to, people that I haven't, and I'm looking forward to go and checking them out more. Now, if you want to go and check out this blog, just type in top 20 vacation rental consultants into a Google search, and Rentals United, and this link will come up. So again, thank you very much for Vacation Rentals, Rentals United for featuring me. It's always nice to be mentioned in things like this. It's not the reason I do it. I much prefer to see your results, but it is nice. And it definitely does help more people discover Boostly. And I know full well that people have come to me on the back of this blog and this announcement. So thank you very much. And you've got 19 other people you can go and follow now. So please do go and do so. As far as I'm aware, Boostly is the only one that is doing daily podcasts just for you. So please make sure you like, download, subscribe, and stay tuned, because tomorrow I'll be back with another episode. So thank you very much for tuning in, and I'll see you back tomorrow.
Having a blast, gonna get it on the Boostly podcast. Boostly like Bruce Lee, cause it's so hard and the T is loose leaf. Making up those rhymes, don't write it, just do it loosely.